Aí, ó. Peguei, ele tava quase atrás.
I can put it in neutral. I can't hear you.
Your radiator.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's blown.
What's that mean?
Means that the car will be overheated.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why it won't start.
Oh, okay.
Try to turn it over.
Yeah.
Get in. Your no.
No, the battery's
It
fine.
looks like it's the battery.
I have a jump start.
Upload.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, clean it up.
Hold.
Yeah, her head gasket's gone. Her head gasket's gone.
What's that mean?
Yeah.
All right, can you put your car in neutral?
It is.
It,
Can you
It's
get
in neutral?
Put the car in neutral.
It's in neutral, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like you said, we push it right now, it'll roll.
Yeah, she blew her engine.
Okay. Well, we're gonna push you off into the mobile station. Okay.
All right.
Pretty good, man. How y'all doing? Oh, it's still in gear.
Every time he hears you, he's like, "Whoa!"
Always wants to come grab it. I say he's not out, man.
Go ahead, little man. I like his Crocs. Right here, buddy. Yeah.
Twist it.
Wow. Of course. Yeah. Of course, man.
Hello. Hi, baby.